Hello, today we are going to talk about the adding vectors at an angle. So we are going to solve this type of question by step method. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to resolve the components. If a vector v makes an angle theta, okay, that is angle theta. So we have to make break them into two parts. First is horizontal axis, that is Vx, that is equal to V cos of theta, and the vertical axis Vy is equal to V sine of theta. Okay, so always check x is a horizontal vector whereas a y is a vertical component. Okay, add components separately. Okay, now after doing that, we are going to make the vectors separate components for Rx and Ry. So we will add both the components Ax component of the x and Bx component of the B. Okay. Same is for the vertical components. We will do Ay for A vertical component and By for B vertical component. Now how we are going to find the resultant? Resultant is simply is equal to resultant R is equal to under root of Rx square plus Ry square. Okay. Okay. Now how we can find the angle? So angle theta is equal to tan inverse of r of y vertical component divided by horizontal component. Okay, that will give you the angle. Okay. Now we are going to do one example. Now this example is forces acts two forces acts on a point. One is 10 Newton east and another one is 8 Newton at 30 degree above the east. So east is that is 10 Newton, okay, and the other force is 8 Newton at 30 degree. Okay, so now first thing we are going to do, we are going to make two components for 8 Newton at 30 degree. Okay, so the 8 Newton, if we do it like that, that is a x-axis, so that will become 8 sine of theta. Okay, and this component will be 8 cos of sorry sorry that is 8 cos of theta and that is sine of theta. So that is 8 cos of theta. Cos will always be on horizontal component, whereas sine of theta is for vertical component. Okay, so we are going to find those values. That will be 8 cos of theta is 8 cos of theta is 30. So bx is equal to x component of b is 8 cos of theta. That will give us the value of 6.93, whereas y component of b is 8 sine of 30, that is simply 4. So now we will add all the components on y-axis, on x-axis. Okay, so there are two components on x-axis or x direction. First one is 10 plus, both are in east direction, so 10 plus 4, that is 14. Now in y direction we have, sorry, 6 point, that is 6.93, sorry, that is 6.93, that will be 16.93, and that will be simply by 4. So how we can find resultant magnitude? I have told you that r is equal to rx square plus ry square. So that would be 16.93 square plus y component is 4. So 4 square under root of that value. So that will give us 17.4 newtons. Now the next step is to find the angle. So if they want us that what is the angle of the resultant, so that would be equal to theta is equal to tan inverse of r of y, that is 4, and r of x is 16.93. So we will solve it. So that will give us theta is equal to 13.3. So our final answer will be 17.4 newtons at 13.3 degrees above east. So if we also want to draw it, it would be like this. Okay, that is 17.4 newton, and that is 13.3 of east, that is east. Okay, that's all about today's lecture. See you in next one.